Hi, this is Lee with Lee's Thoughts, and today we are doing the three-piece T-Fal Red Spot pan collection. It comes with 3 sets of pans. These things are great. I use them on my gas range, but I used them on an electric range before I moved to this house where I have a gas range. They are great. The little red spot turns solid, so you know when the pan is hot. So there's no questioning when the pan. And I mean, I've had these things for 3 years, and you can see the nonstick is still completely solid, and I have had kids that abuse them with metallic spoons, which you're not supposed to use. And I mean, these things are great. They come in 3 different sizes, all the way up to a large skillet. And I mean, you should go out and get yourself some T-Fal Red Dot skillets, and they come in a set of 3. Get them.